Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You better stretch out if you're gonna run like that. You're gonna pull something. Oh my gosh, that's terrible.
Thank you. Oh, I'm trying to get my equipment in here.
Like he's like a DJ or something. Oh boy. It's like fun. Tanya, you can do it in 12 seconds.
Yeah, like 10 minutes to go.
Yeah, and we'll be late.
Alright.
Alright.
See ya. Alright, here we go. Got the jacket.